Brother, you're so early, my friend. One moment, huh? Hello, my friend. Nice. Okay, bro, I think today we need to stand by, huh? We need to. Okay, Rick, what price you looking to buy Figma? The moment, market open, you straight away buy or what? Because I want to take a look at Palantir. I want to see what it does though. Straight away after it IPO. Then after later on, we can take a look at Circles. So, yep, you can see, right, after IPO, it spiked up for Palantir. Up. No leh, this one is 12 a.m. How come? Okay, I think we need to go to daily. Maybe 4 hours cannot see. Hello, Mr. William, my friend. Okay, let's see this one. So IPO never go anywhere. Okay, the moment it opens at about $10. The lowest it went to is about 8 plus. Didn't go anywhere until this part, then it starts to move about 1 month later. 1 month later. Okay, Ken, Rick. Understood. I'll go and see Circles. Circles, I think, is different. Okay, Mr. William. Hey, how come no data for Circles? Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, Circles is different, huh? The moment it IPO, the next day it gap up, the following day gap up again. After that, it starts to go sideways for about 3 more days before it starts to go. Okay. I think likely there will be a up impulse, but I don't think it will be. Yeah, maybe it will pull back a little. So we are not too sure though, because you can see Circle open at about $83. The lowest it went to is $63, so down about 20%, maybe 25% before it starts to go up to $103. Okay, Circles open at 83, down about $20. You can see pre-market price, man. I cannot see it. How you see pre-market price? Oh, Baba. Wait, Mr. William. Today we're trying to catch an IPO stock, okay? We're trying to catch Figma. Oh, trading view can see. Okay. Interesting. Baba, I will still be a little bit more careful. Doesn't look like it's ready to go though. Yeah, someone they China they removed the stimulus package, so likely no activity to stimulate the China market anymore. So we have to be careful on that part. My JD, I think I took a loss though recently. Yeah, recently I took a loss on JD. I think I bought it a bit too early, too aggressive already. Trading view can see. Okay, let's see. Don't have Okay, this one. No data here. How you see? Why I can't see anything? I cannot see anything. What do you type? I click. No data. Oh, okay. I think must. No, daily also don't have. No data, my friend. It's okay. We'll wait until market open. SPY coming down a little bit. Amazon. Yes, Meta is crazy. Really crazy. Yeah, too bad. Earnings, what can I do? But this Meta is crazy. Really crazy, Meta damn powerful Yeah, but what to do? I think this one is one of the largest gain for earnings though on Meta. I have never seen Meta earnings fly so much before. This is like almost 12%. Yeah, it has been a while since I last see Meta move so much. Hello, Hazel. Okay, Hazel, what price are you going to buy for? Hello, Random. What price are you guys going to buy for Figma? Will you all wait for some retracement before buying or you will jump in already? Yeah, I also don't know. IPO stock, this is like my first time doing that though. 33, I think if you are holding for quite a while, I think it's okay. I myself, I have a stop loss in mind. So if that stupid Figma drop to maybe $15 or something, I'm out already. I will close it off. Yeah, random and random and who Rick very confident on Figma. I go and see the sentiment on Figma. What is strong though? It's like 98, 99% of the people thinks that Figma will have an up impulse right away. Which kind of scare me so also. But then okay lah. Yeah, Mr. William, I also cannot see Figma data though. You gamble Amazon today. Oh, nice, nice. Nice lah. You make a lot of money now. Can exit already at Amazon. We only left Google. I only left Google. No more liao. Hey, Google and Tesla. I just entered Tesla not long ago. So only two. Yes, brother. I also think Tesla going to fly. That's why I'm in Tesla. Yeah, yesterday FOMC. This week is it's really difficult to trade lah. I'm also a bit headache. Too volatile liao. Oh, okay. Wait, you can see Figma $23 just now. Okay. Okay, the last time you saw was about $23. Yeah, those people who can buy the shares earlier, I think they bought at about 23, 25, so should be around there. Pimba MA support. I'm actually looking at a triangle. So I still think Tesla will fly. That's why I get in again. Okay, we have to stand by, the moment the market open, possibly I will just buy already. You can put order in now, man. I try on my broker. I cannot see anything though. How do you even see it? Hey, I need to charge my phone. No battery, cannot buy anything. Figma. My here just show $33. Don't have any other data. Possibly it might drop 20%. That means it might drop to about $27. Can that's weird. I cannot see anything. It's okay lah. I wait for market to open. Wow, you're all very confident in Figma, Small. Okay. Bro, you have the ticker for me or not? This one, why the name so long? Okay, I stop at MasterCard. SLB. No, bro, this one going down. This one cannot. Skip. For me, if you want to short, you can short. Just reported earnings only. Okay, not bad. But I still think that it's a short. Just like I stopped at where I stopped at Mastercard, right? Master, where is Master? Oh my god. Okay, let's continue to scan through. We left with a few more minutes. HD coming down, Walmart also coming down. Wow, this ABBV earnings is also powerful. MRK, no direction for me. But that Carvana is also strong though. I wanted to buy, but then earnings again, huh? The whole thing just fire off. Yes, Affirm, I'm also monitoring that. Looks good. Yes, Affirm looks good. I like. See, Carvana, fire off now. Bye bye. My god. All the airlines are not ready. Affirm definitely something to look out for. CCL, LMMD, nothing. How many I buying? I plan to buy about 1,005 for Figma, 1,500 shares, around there. Yeah, but then I have a stop loss in mind, huh? Because just now I calculated already. I think okay for me. So if Figma drops to about $15, I'll just cut everything, take the loss, and move on. Unless it starts to fire off, and then I will monitor for about 2 weeks like that. I'll see how it goes. If it's performing well, I will just keep shifting my stop loss. So possible can become like circles. No. I even when I do long term investment, I have a stop loss one. I have a stop loss. I will analyze where I want to get out all that. Yeah, like Intel, right? You see, Intel is not moving. I just cut away. I lost like less than 2 or 3%. I just cut it off. You see, imagine that you hold for 4 months already. 4 months is not moving. For me, I just cut it. So same thing for Figma. I think maybe if it drops to about $15, I will just cut it off. No. I won't hold a stock for, stuck there for years. I will never ever do that, my friend. Even will the money shift? Sometimes yes. Sometimes it can shift to those small and mid cap stock. But then sometimes small and mid cap stocks can tank even more than those mega tech stock. So you have to analyze and see what it does. Because recently, right, if you go and see those small and mid cap stocks, they are all showing signs of downside already. Even like Hood, the DDOG, you see, suddenly just dump. It was going up here very beautifully though, suddenly dump. So possible if S&P, goes into a correction mode or something, the small and mid cap stocks might dump even faster. Usually they dump faster. a lot faster that time. If you go and look at April period, you will notice that a lot of small and mid caps, they dump about 60 to 90%. I'm using my cash account to buy. Yeah, so because you know that time the what the exchange rate drops until USD to SGD about 1.27. That time I changed quite a lot of money. So right now I got some spare cash, So I want to go and buy some Figma. Unless VOO starts to pull back or some stocks starts to pull back, maybe I will consider buying them. But then currently we don't have that. So this spare cash, I'll go and try Figma first. Max, I can tolerate maybe $15 lah. Okay, guys, less than 1 minute, the market open now. No, 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds, my friend. I want to see how's the movement like? My first time though. Okay, wait, can I go to Figma or not? Wait, can buy or no data leh, friend? Why no data? Market open already what? Hello? Can I buy or not? Let me try. Yeah, I still need to enter the price. Really? Yes, why cannot buy? I also don't understand it. Is there something wrong? No problem. We wait and see, Okay, at least SPY is pulling back. This up move is actually caused by earnings. All the mega tech, they like Microsoft, Meta, and one more also reported earnings, right? Yeah, so this up move is caused by that. And then pulling back a little, which is fine. Right, today is the last day of the month already, so be a little bit more careful, okay, guys? Next month onwards, market might not perform so well. Fuyo, what happened to Google? My God. Ah, shit, I forgot to shift stop loss. Damn. Yes, RBLX is also very, very sick. Yes, very, very sick. Crazy, man. Amazon pulling back already. Why cannot buy? I don't understand it. So what time do I have to wait until? No data leh? Yes, no data. Yes, Microsoft is also crazy. Yesterday was Microsoft, Amazon, and what? Meta. Yes, these three. Yes, I forget to shift stop loss for Google. Ayo, my God. No idea what happened to Google though. Yeah, because I think likely SPY, starts pulling back a little, so Google is also affected. But I think I will set an alarm. This one my mistake. I forgot to shift stop losses. Nvidia okay. AMD pulling back already. Hopefully we get that pullback soon. My God, today my internet got some issue. Is it? How come I keep getting disconnected? Hello, I love cherry. Speculating some call option. Waiting chance to hop in Tesla train. Okay, okay. Nice, nice. I also, hope Tesla can fire off. Fuyo, this Amazon. After earning straight away down. Fuyo, Fuyo. What happened to Amazon? Why so crazy? Okay, Microsoft also coming down. Microsoft will continue to go up, right? It's hard to tell though. I'm a little bit more defensive now because August and what and September is usually quite scary. These 2 months are so far. My own performance sometimes is also not very good. Oh, my camera. Where my camera go to? Okay, one moment. Can see me now? Can. I think it's done. Why I forget to shift stop loss? Okay, I need to monitor Google a little bit, I forget. Palantir, how? Okay, not bad. RBXL also pulling back a little bit. Standard. Why Figma still no data? I thought IPO today. Where's the data? IPO already tell me, crowd can short lah. Possibly. Oh, say doing auction okay. No leh, I'm still inside Google though. I'm still inside Google. Y'all get stopped already Oh, okay. I moved to break even. How come mine didn't get triggered? What the hell? my when negative Yeah, my one also skipped through I never. Okay, I did move to break even. I did move, but then mine didn't get triggered. Okay. My God, I thought I never moved to break even. I was thinking, wait, how come Google is still here? So guys, sometimes it's really me. Sometimes I really forget to move my stop losses. That's why there was once, I think 2 years, 3 years ago, I got burned quite badly by SE because I forgot to move to break even, I think. Wow, Rick, seems like interactive broker keeps skipping through your stop loss, Maybe you need to go and talk to them now, go and scold them. This scenario, I will wait for a little bit. Likely, I think, it won't dump so much. I don't think it will dump so much. Yeah, I think you need to go complain now. I do have a period of time. My stop losses keep getting skipped also. But I'm not using interactive broker. Mine is Momo. Then after I go and, complain to them all the time. Then it was a little bit better. But nowadays I get, maybe very used to it, So for me, it becomes quite normal already. Quite normal that my stop loss didn't get triggered. Market just suddenly dumb, huh? Yesterday the spy move is actually because of that 3 mega tech. Then so today, pulling back, showing the real move, I think it's quite normal. So I have to wait for a little bit again. Why I keep getting disconnected today? Couldn't connect, try reconnecting. What happened? You got nothing in our portfolio. Yeah, we have to be a bit more careful, okay, guys? Figma is still... Yep, still not showing any data. What can I do? Hey guys, am I disconnected or something? Looks like I'm being disconnected leh. My god. You slowly exit everything. Okay. My Google still haven't get triggered though, Rick. What? Price went back up already. I got I got the order there. What? My order is exactly the same. 193.6. Correct? Yes, correct. 193.6. He skipped through my order again. Hey, can you hear me or not? Can that's weird though. That's so weird. You see, TikTok keep telling me live disconnected. Trying to reconnect now. What happened though? Yeah, up and down, skip through my one. Rick, you still in Google or you out already? I want to skip through the whole thing. My stop loss is there. 100% there. Yeah, that's why sometimes it's like that trading you get this kind of nonsense. You need to go and complain. My god, EMD dropped quite a lot today. Okay as long as you all can hear me, can now. No, Figma is still not out. I'm on the on and off, I go and see it, but then no data leh. Super volatile, friends. Super duper volatile. Okay, today I think after market close we got Apple earnings, and then what else we have? Let's see. Today you have Apple. Today is Amazon meh? I thought Amazon reported earnings already. Never report. Then what happened to Amazon? Oh, never report leh. Wow, sudden sell off before earnings. Okay. Then what we have? We have Apple, Amazon, RBLX reported already. Okay. MSTR, Coinbase, Reddit, Riot, Net, Roku. These are the few big ones. My god. How to trade like that? How to trade? You got a lot of Apple. How come you got so much Apple? The Apple is from supermarket or this stock Apple? Hey, why this Google like that? Skip through here and there, then I didn't get triggered. Seriously, really? You like Apple so much, you buy so much Apple. Okay, I think possibly this Apple you'll see a spike down after just go up. Oh, you got out of Google. Wow, you're lucky, my friend. You are lucky. I'm stuck though. Okay lah, good for you guys. Good for you guys. AMD is selling off. Okay, I will just update the group Google for BE. Uh, 193.6. Yeah, then I will just manage my own Google myself. What? Why he kept up and down just through my order? What happened? Oh, you didn't enter. Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. Wow, this one sad leh. Sad leh. The start of the week, I was up about 16% plus. Now left with 13%. Really? This Google. Yeah, forget it. Still profit, still profitable, so okay. Oh, Meta is strong. Going up again. Microsoft dumping. Okay, RBLX. Okay, reported earnings already. Palantir. Palantir also earnings coming soon. Next Monday, forget it, forget it. I thought I wanted to maybe try a shot or something. Hello, Raymond. Hello, my friend. Baba, macam ada buyer step in. Really? Well, this PANW tank a lot. Okay, I go to Baba shortly. Figma still no data. Yes, this week a bit pain. Yeah, this week because it's really really volatile. So much news. Tomorrow we still got NFP. But I think the NFP will be good. UNH nothing. Okay, Visa correction done already. Possibly can start to go up already. Yes, this Kavana went up a lot. I wanted to buy, but then earnings, it just kept up. What can we do? Okay, next is Affirm definitely. Zoom looks like something nice to short. Hood not done yet. Oh, this DDOG suddenly start tanking. Okay, this no different. Okay lah, better than me. This week I dropped like at least, I think at least 3%, 3% plus at least. At least 3% plus, I think. But still okay. Every month, above 10%, I'm happy already. Very, very happy. And some more, we are approaching August and September, and that's when we need to be more careful. This week you drop a lot lah. Yes, no different is good already, my friend. Yes. It's okay, Rick. Really. Uh Rick, are you still more than 10% or not this week? This month. If you're still more than 10%, I would say, still very good now. It's really, really good. Imagine you every month you can make about 10%. Is really good enough now. Really good. 1 year you can up 120%, and then you still have a compound. If you compound, it's even more. 8%. Okay. Good. Not bad not bad. Yeah, we just have to be a little bit more careful, guys. Really. Next month and September, I'm scared though. Okay, I'm finally out of Google. What? My God. Google are crazy. Overall 5.6. Okay. Good. Very, very good. This month, yeah, right now I am at about maybe 12.8 around there. Partly is Google, because Google I think is skip over my stop loss. Wasted. Cause Monday what? Monday, oh, you don't have enough margin. Okay, understood. Yeah, I did a refresh, so right now I'm up about 12.5% this month. Okay lah, I dropped quite a lot lah. This week, I think this week I dropped 4% now. Should have just closed off everything on Monday. Then don't do anything, at least secure 16%. Hey, wait, just now William say something about Baba. Baba, macam got buyer come in. I will still wait a little bit. Baba earnings coming, is it? I don't think so. Yeah, not coming yet. Why the option need? Why the option looks weird? What happened, my friend? Come by. Oh no, sorry. Sorry. My friend texted me. He asked me, cannot buy cannot buy what, Cannot buy what's that, Figma. Okay. The Baba one, Baba two. Okay. I know what you're talking about. Let me see. How do I find that? I remember I see it before. The Baba one, Baba two. Yeah, the Baba one, Baba two. I have no idea what is it, but normally, right, I will just buy the normal one without the Baba one or Baba two, because the Baba one, Baba two, you always don't see the IV there. I have no idea what is that, so I should skip. Just buy the normal. Normal Baba will do, okay? Okay, strength like coming back a little, huh? Visual, nothing. Wow, guys, really this week difficult to trade mark. It's been a while. I see. I 1 week I down 4%. It's not really down. Overall, the whole month is still up. Just that this week I give back a lot of profit. Oh, this PANW. Nice drop though. How come we didn't notice that, huh? Yes, Raymond. Either next month it will start to pull back, if not September, I think. One of the month. Oh yes, guys, remember, tomorrow is officially the day, right? All the tariff starts to take effect. Don't forget this, okay? And then in the next 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, we should be able to see the full effect of how tariff is going to impact the economy. APLD, okay, APLD. Hey, call with, whoa, nice, nice. Call with, what happened to call with? Phew, fire off No leh. Okay, looks like strength coming in, but then you don't have much time though. You have about 12 days. Okay, no confirmation, so I will wait for a little bit more for call with. How about MU? Let's see MU. Yep, MU still dumping, not done yet. So skip. What else? Can Bitcoin. I think likely Bitcoin looks good. Fantastic, my friend. I think going up now. For yo. Okay, I show you guys something. Let me go to. Where did I post it? Okay, look at Bitcoin chart. Look at Bitcoin chart. And then let me show you this. Okay, you look at this area. Just look at here, this area. And then look at what I posted here. Okay, I show you this one. You see, I say that you will go down. After that, you will start to fire off for Bitcoin, right? You can see, right? Like go down and then starts to fire off. And then you look at Bitcoin, Let me minimize this. Can you see Bitcoin is also the same thing? Can you see? Fire down, starts to go already. Bitcoin is fantastic, my friend. Okay, if Bitcoin is developing this, I got a feeling that coin possibly, right, today after earnings, it might start to fire off. Quite possibly, but then based on how it is developing, possible the earnings you will see a spike down, after it will start to go up. Sweep London low. Trend line support should be going to fly. Yes, I also think that Bitcoin going to fly out. So if Bitcoin is going to fly, likely, likely a lot of those, other crypto all will start to fly as well. Yes, 130 shouldn't be much of an issue. I think 130 is a very realistic target. Super realistic. Yeah, but of course, don't ask me whether, you can go to 200,000 or 200,000. That one a little bit far. So, as it starts to go up along the way, then you slowly monitor. Will tariff affect the growth? This one I'm not too sure though. This one you have to check. I'm also not too sure about what's the effect, for tariff and cryptocurrency. Oh, but it's not indirect. Yeah, there's some relationship like you can go and read through about that. Then yeah, but it says tariff does not directly tax or restrict crypto. So I think the effect might be minimum. No, Richard, I want to buy Figma. I want to buy. Not cannot buy. I want to buy. I'm just waiting for the data to come out. But right now I don't see the data though. How to trade? There's no data for me. You got data already for Figma? I want to buy. I have already stand by 50,000 to buy Figma. So you see, still no data though. You also cannot buy. Same. Yes, I want to buy, but of course I have a stop loss. Maybe if Figma drops to $15 or something, I'll just cut it. Then I go and look for some other things. Because if next month the market starts to pull back, I will want to buy a lot of stock again. Okay, SPY is recovering from that dump, maybe filling the gap, and then right now it's going up again. For me, because I'm using a cash account, so for me the price is not much of a concern already. So as long as maybe 30 plus, I will also go in. 32, 33, I'm still okay with that. If can go down a little bit lower, that will be good lah. But if not 30 plus, I'll just enter. So I'm willing to lose half of my investment. So I will place a stop loss at $15. Okay, guys, also try to be a little bit more careful. I think today I read some news like Warren Buffett is also unloading his shares already. So whenever this guy do something like that, shortly after the market doesn't perform. Okay, and this year might be the last year that you start to see all this Warren Buffett news already. He's going to retire by end of this year. Wow, I don't know, Richard. I have never ever once in my trading career, I bought an IPO stock. Never ever once. So today is like my very first time trying. Yeah, that's why I want to use a cash account. Yeah, because I over at live stream, even my own friends, or a lot of people ask me about those IPO stocks. So I do see the trend where IPO stocks is like speculative, really speculative. And some more, the the sentiment for Figma is damn high. I went to see the sentiment is like 98, 99% of people says that the moment it releases, it will have a huge impulse up, which kind of scary though. If you want to be really good at this market, you somehow needs to do the opposite. When people are fearful, you need to be greedy. And then when people are greedy, you need to be fearful. So when I saw the sentiment, I was like thinking, IPO already really will fly up or not? But I don't know lah. So I will place a stop loss and then see how it goes. Okay. Oh, nice. But okay, if Baba is doing this, how about the rest? Let's see. I think Baidu is the one of the worst China stock right now. Yup, very bad. LI, very bad. Neo, bad. JD, not too good. Photo, still no sign of strength. TCOM, not here nor there. I don't have a lot of China stock on my watch list though. Yeah, based on what I see, right? Wow, why is only Baba moving? That's the thing. Why is only Baba moving? Is there any news? Oh, Baba going to expand AI finance footprint. Nice. Yeah, I will still be a little bit more careful for this part. Because most of the China stocks, they are not moving. What is just what? What is this? Oh, okay, okay. It's a crypto. Hey, bro, I don't really know what this crypto is doing though. It looks very different from, Bitcoin. It might be more downside, so you be a little bit more careful for this. Because the Bitcoin looks like it's going up already. Looks like it's going to fire off soon. Okay, just now I stopped at somewhere. Where did I stop at? Disney? Nope. Okay, PayPal. 2 days already, I think. Yep, 2 days already. Still no signs of recovery. This is bad though. Okay, Visa might be one of the stock that possibly I might start to get interested in it. Hey, you're buying anything or not? Any stock to recommend? Oh, this ABBV. After earnings, market open should erase all the gains. Yesterday buy 20% liao. Today, haha. Yesterday why you buy 20%? APLD, after earnings it starts to fly out. Oh, the earnings is today. Nice, nice. Nice, start flying already. Potentially more upside, huh? After earnings still so strong. Is Figma not going to IPO today? Or what? Oh, opening auction now. Real-time code will follow. Eh? Okay, put alert. Ah, you buy Baba call. Okay, okay. I think it's a good move. I think it's a good move. Earn 20% now. Okay, okay. Not bad, not bad. Quickly, 200, 300%. Okay, guys, tomorrow we are also, in a new day, new month already. So adjust your 1% risk, okay? Or your 0.5% risk. Okay, start with the new amount that you make this month. Start with a new principal amount. And then next month we start to compound again. Draft King. Can, one moment, huh? What is this stock? Okay. Warren Buffett, I think he unload very sign after, after earnings. I think I read that news about it. DraftKings. What is DraftKings? Oh, earnings coming up, Leo, friend. Next Wednesday. Yeah, I think likely this will be a skip for me because there's earnings for next Wednesday. So if you like this stock, you can go ahead and trade it, but just be prepared, huh? Earnings it can go either direction, at least about 10%. Where did I stop again? Did I look through all this or not? Oh no, I stopped here. Okay. Wow, this Kavana strong. Really, really strong. My god. Market close here. 23% already. Nice. Still no data, leh, friend. What's happening? End up they don't want sell already. Really? Will that happen? I have no idea though. Okay, today hopefully we can see the data, then it will be quite a good experience. Yeah, but I look at the market condition, I also don't know what to trade. Hazel, you got idea or not? I like LMMD actually. But then I think the earnings is also coming soon. Yup, next Tuesday. That's the thing. Yes, supermarket buying ice cream. Hardworking at you. Go supermarket, still listening to live stream. Power lah. Hard 8. Earnings is also coming. Riot. Okay, Riot earnings is tomorrow if I'm not wrong. Nope, today after market close. Okay, GLXY. One moment, let me stop at something that I know so I won't forget. Okay, I will stop at Marvel. GLXY. GLXY. Yeah, this stock I don't have a direction as of right now. Possibly, I think for a buy. Yeah, looks like buy more than short. Yes, but I don't have a setup as of right now. I will need to wait for a little bit more. But if you like to, you can look for upside. Starbucks, nothing here. VST, nope. Fiverr, nope. BYD, nothing. TTD, no setup guys. How, my friend? CMCSA, okay, after earnings went up, right now coming back down, still look like downside more. GS, nothing. Mm, Random, you still here or not? You got any new stock for me to add into my watch list? Mine, I keep looking and looking. Looks like nothing is ready. SYK, no. Okay, I think. Oh, Rick, you make some money from this stock, right? Okay. Okay, this stock also got earnings next Monday. Oh no. VRTX, Vertex Pharmaceuticals. You make some money from this, right? This stock looks not bad. What is this? Okay, dump quite a lot. Well, this is something like trying to catch a falling knife. Possibly a small trade. Okay, just wait for it to be triggered first. Ah, nice, Rick. CCI, okay, Raymond, give me a moment, because this bottom part of my watch list, I don't normally look at them, so I'll be quite confused with it. Okay, I will stop at CB. Okay, at least I remember this. Not easy to remember. CCI. Wow, perfect lah, guys. We secure our profit right here, right? Am I right? Steady. Beautiful. Yes, I remember we tried to speculate for earnings. Yes, after earnings, we exit right here. Fantastic. Can short, possibly, but then you wait for the pullback first, Raymond. Once you get the pullback, can start shorting. It looks, let me see. Yep, looks quite good for a short. Wait for the pullback. Okay, we go back to CB. It went off already. Yep. Yes, normally after, after earnings, sometimes they will tend to pull back. It's quite normal. No, not going to a short, okay? Right now all I can say is that the market, some of them, looks like pulling back, got a small impulse to the downside already. But then there's no nice setup though. I keep looking and looking. You can see, right, like one sharp move and then that's it there. I don't even know what to trade though. What is Peggy U? What is Peggy U? Is it a stock? Buy options, sell options. Possibly, maybe I will sell some options. GD also nothing. XOM, I think there's earnings tomorrow if I'm not wrong. Yeah, usually earnings I don't speculate them unless I got very good profit. Okay, wait, let me go and stop at some instrument that I can remember. Okay, NOC. Okay, we stop at NOC. Short RKD, look for short. I think there's also earnings coming. Yeah, there's also earnings. So yeah, today after market close, and then XOM. XOM, there's also earnings coming, is it? I'm quite interested in the oil stocks, but then I think it's still not ready as of right now. Yeah, XOM, there's also earnings on tomorrow after market open. Yeah, so these two stock, although I like XOM, but then I will give it a skip. UNH, just now where did I stop? NOC, okay, NOC. UNH. Nope. Don't try to buy, okay? Uh, I think it's quite risky lah, this stock. Unless you're up for the risk, just buy around here, place a stop loss, 248. Possibly can see whether it will fire off or not. Um, okay, I stop at NOC. NOC. COF, nothing. Guys, why until right now? Figma is still not able to trade. Hiya. I thought we can buy right after market open. Fast. Nope. Yes, William. How may I help you? At flying. Got earnings, right? You inside or not? Most importantly, are you inside or not? Don't be like yesterday, you tell me one stock, after that you're not inside. That circle. App. Oh, nice. Beautiful. QR soon. Ayo, this QR now make me scared. This QR looks like will go down. I don't know lah. Oi, Rick, you found something, huh? Okay, not bad. Not bad, Rick. Looks good. Looks good. Coming soon now. Hey, this one how many hours? Just 4 hours, eh? Okay, can I go to Snap in a while? Take. Now, I also don't know whether I should trust Hazel or not. NVO. Okay, one moment. I'm going to finish scanning through everything very, very soon. Those quantum stock, they are like not performing well, huh? Wow, this wing stop is super though. It's crazily strong. Okay, Ken, Rick, I come back to that shortly. Oh, open still going down. Yeah, I think more or less like nothing much already. Okay, we go and see Snap first. Yeah, but then the rig next Tuesday earnings, I don't think you will have enough time to. Let's see her. Okay, I do like the wave structure of Snap. Not bad. It's really not bad. You're up for the risk or not? Yeah, but this one is also quite sharp, huh? Let me see. Okay, we wait for a little bit more. We check back in a while. Yeah, I only scared, not enough time for it to run. Don't turn your call option into ash. Ah. How's your Baba? Baba good or not? Okay lah, holding up quite well. B Boil. What is this? Boil, right? Bro, my advice is that you give this a skip lah. This stock it does a lot of reverse stock split though. Just be careful, huh? This type of stock, someday I think it will just go bankrupt. Bloom, what? Pro shares Ultra Bloomberg Natural Gas. Okay. Actually, what Hazel say is correct. Is correct. Actually, can take. Just that it's because of the earnings. It's the earnings. Why your Tesla not good? Okay, NVO and what, huh? BORR, Is that earnings? Oh, before earnings, it starts to dump. MVO, I have no idea where it will stop though. But minimally, I think it can drop below 45. It looks like it can go below 45. Oh, something happened to this stock. Why drop so much? Oh, this stock. Oh, I remember they cut their sales growth forecast to about 8 to 14% from the previous 10 to 16%. That's why it dropped so much. Just be careful for this. BORR. I think I traded this stock before. BORR. I used to use a scanner or something and then it just suddenly appear. Bro, be careful. I think it will just stick around this range for quite a while. Just go here sideways like that for maybe another month or two. Unless earnings, can start to push it up. BMNR. My god, brother. Skip, my friend. Just skip this stock. You're going to jam inside for a long, 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 long time. Yeah, you see, it's not worth it though. Even if I look at the past data from April, before you get a nice spike up about September, already, that's like 6 months though, around 6 months later. So this one, maybe you can wait for 6 months before you are interested in buying it. Yeah, I have no idea how to trade stock like that, huh? Uh, you know, where do you find stocks like that? I'm quite curious though. Palantir, I think that is still going up. Simba, where do you find all this? I have no idea, bro. This one is like difficult, really difficult. I look at this, my balls shrink already, my friend. This one consolidated, you look at here, it consolidated for 2 whole years, not going anywhere. 2 whole years. If I stuck inside a stock for 1 week, 2 weeks, I already cannot take it out. Just still imagine 2 years. I will die, man, my friend. Yeah, be careful on this, okay? Unless you know how to trade stocks like that, go ahead. Because I really have no experience in trading stocks that moves like this. Oh, you got in recently. If recently, I think you make some money, right? Yeah, but Simba, where do you buy? Where do you get all this? Is it like maybe some YouTuber, they do a recommendation or something? Break even. Okay, okay. Yeah, normal for me myself this one is me myself. Normally I like to look at those very popular stocks. Singaporean-based investor. Okay, evenly, even. Okay, Tom Lee. Who is Tom Lee? Sounds familiar though. Tom Lee. Hey, this one is Thomas Lee. Who is Tom Lee? Why is it so familiar? The Wall Street Bull Guru. Okay, okay. A point to the bot. What bot? Okay, my outlook for Palantir uh, is definitely more upside, but I do think that likely it will start to pull back soon. And then when it starts to pull back, I will try to look for opportunity to buy again. Palantir is one of my, always on the top of my watch list. I like it so much. Oh, Wall Street Bull Guru. This guy, Thomas Lee. I have no idea who is he though. Is he like a big shot or something? Okay, I don't have subscription to CNBC. Huh? Board of directors. Oh, okay, okay. Board of directors for Bitcoin. Okay, okay. Might be a good news. Yeah, I don't trade, cryptocurrency a lot. Once in a while, I will do it. Yeah, so I don't really follow a lot of crypto news. Okay, guys, I will use the washroom. I will come back shortly. Okay, see you shortly. Okay, I'm back. Wow, you sent a lot of things inside, huh? Let me read through. Okay, all of you took snap, huh? Not bad, not bad. Yes, yes. I am looking at the chat right now. One moment, huh, Rick? Why is your volume different, ah? Did you all change any settings? Is it different from mine or not? Uh, yeah, I can take a picture, then after that I send inside the group. You all have a look. Is it different from mine? Oi, paste it. Actually, I like it also, guys. Oh, 4 hours. Why you all look at 4 hours? Okay, 4 hours. I send one more, okay? You're going to compare. One moment, my friend. Okay. Is it different? Looks same, Different, me? It looks same, Everyone looks the same, Is there any different? Rick, the Hazel's one also looks same. Rick also same. Why you all work tomorrow half day? Is tomorrow a holiday? Wow, Snip is it's quite cheap, Need to buy a lot now. What I want to do, Hey, your settings, let me see. No, it looks the same as mine though. How come yours is different? Fix it. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, is Spy coming down or not? Let me see. Okay, Spy is definitely pulling back. Okay, what's the highest price? 641. Okay. Pulling back a little bit. But since the spike has been making new low. Richard, what was it, huh? I forget now. After I went to BMNR. BMNR. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm very, very forgetful. The moment I look at something, once I go to the next chart, I forget about it. Okay, making new low then. Since the spike, it starts making new low. Okay. Yeah, I still think that this BMNR is going down. Hive. Yeah, same thing. Earnings also coming though. No. This one is a little bit later. Then you still got about 3 weeks to go. 3 weeks. Possible, I think still more upside though. At least some upside for Hive. MBIS. Yeah, this one definitely going up. MBIS. Richard, do you trade that or not? I don't think you trade that lah. I think yours should be like mine, quite safe that type. SBET. SBET, I would advise to be careful. I do think that is more downside. Yeah, looks like more downside. TXN. TXN. Yep, downside. More downside. Doesn't look ready. Hims. Ayo. Randomness, what? Hims. More upside. I think still more upside. Yes, so many random, huh? But no risk, huh? You got the student group chat. I know you guys, when you ask important questions, everything will be inside the group chat. Because you all need to send the charts. I think live stream you all cannot send anything, right? My god, this Tesla. Okay, a lot of stocks are pulling back. Let's see how is it. Okay, yep, like what you guys say, a lot of instruments they are dropping, and then SPY are possible also trying to pull back already. Our target hit SPY hit 640 now, so we have to be extremely careful. Okay, then guys, just brace for the next 2 months. Next 2 months, things might not be very, very easy to trade. But of course, if the market starts to pull back, it's always a good thing. Possibly, we'll get very nice opportunities soon. Then you can do long-term investment and trading at the same time. Can start buying a lot of stock. Hey, Figma still not out. I wait until I'm tired already though. It's really not out. My God. Yeah, I think at least minimally, we need to wait until next week. At least Monday or Tuesday before the pictures become, a lot more clearer. Right now, a lot of stocks are pulling back. Let's see IWM. Yep, IWM is also going down, huh? What is this? Delete. Hello, my friend. Nice to see you again. Yeah, IWM is also, pulling back. SMH definitely pulling back because Nvidia is pulling back quite hard. Dow Jones looks like it's going to pull back as well. Haven't even made new all-time high. How about dollar? Dollar is going up. S&P definitely pulling back. Nifty going down. ARKK. Well, ARKK is still holding strong, huh? Not bad. GLE. What is GLE? GLE should have reported earnings, right? Just now before market open, but then why no result? What happened? Do you know? Seven. Not sure. How come all the earnings is like that? What happened to GLE? Why all the earnings got no results? Yeah, but it looks like it's going up though. Yeah, this stock is starting to trend quite nicely. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, is it the same GLE or not? I know lah. Wrong. My God. I was looking at some other GLE. Okay. This one I think is quite a good example, huh? You can see, right, after IPO on around 21st of September, it just doesn't go anywhere for about September to November, so about 2 months before it starts to tank. This one also can happen to Figma as well. So that's why even for Figma, it's a widely anticipated, like, a good stock that might fire off a lot, but for me, I will still place a stop loss. Because imagine you enter right at when the IPO, And then it drops roughly about 50%. 50% is here already though. Yeah, so somewhere here you get out as it took about 2 months to take you out. Then after that, from here onwards, you're stuck inside for how long already? This is like 7, 8 months, 7, 8 more months, and it's not even going back to your entry price. So this might also happen to Figma. Just this GLE, I don't think it's good though. Uh, I have no idea what is this company about, but I do think the way it's moving, I think potentially maybe still more downside. Maybe you can try to target 60 cents or something. Maybe 60 cents. There will be some reaction for some recovery, but right now I really can't tell. Well, I don't know, bro. You need to go and look at the fundamental of this stock. Yeah, for me, usually I myself, the moment I see this, the first thing I skip. I don't even want to look at it. It's very easy one, okay? I tell you what, uh, you just use ChatGPT or some, Perplexity AI or even DeepSeek. Just use anyone, and then you just type, give me the full detailed report, uh, full detailed fundamental report of GLE. Yeah, normally before I even go and do a very detailed report or reading the financial statements, all that, the first thing I will use ChatGPT. I'll go and ask first. If they tell me everything is bad, 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 the first thing I skip. Mm, and this company is very small, with only 4 employees. Wow, 4 employees can be listed, champion. Really? How 4% run the whole company with only 4 employees? Can get IPO. These four must be super talented. My God, I expect like maybe they got 100 staff or 200 staff. Margins are extremely thin. Okay, actually this one's still not bad. Still really not bad. I have seen worse, really worse that type. Like ChatGPT will tell you a lot of investors they are losing confidence in the company after they are withdrawing their funds. Yeah, you say signaling major instability or lack of investors' confidence. It's really not too bad. The way it write this is so much better than a lot of companies that I have seen. Yeah, you see, this is generally considered a good. This is not generally considered a good company to buy for most investors. Extreme cautious is advised. So if you want to buy this, um, try to use a strong account lah. It's a cash account, okay? Yeah, but when you look at this, you see no investors are coming in, nothing. I think it's difficult for this company to scale though. Yeah, I do, understand future valuation or that, but this is the most simplest form now. You just use this one. After that, you go and decide whether, worth to dive in and spend 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours to read all the financial statements or not. Okay, wait, I edit a little bit. Ah, really, really? Figma has data already. Ah, okay, okay, okay. You see, there is no public record of major private equity investment or large institutional investors acquiring a significant stake in this stock. This one is the very first thing you can tell from this is that even institutional trader, even private equity, they are not interested in this stock. You understand? So this one is like a big red flag for me. Because me myself, I'm just a retail trader. I don't have such a good foresight. But then I think if you use a cash account, it will be fine, really. If you are, okay with the risk, you can use a cash account. Normally, this is what I do. Even like right now, I want to buy Figma. I'm also going to use a cash account because I don't understand the business. No leh, Rick, my one still no data leh. Okay, okay, we go back, huh? Yeah, for the past 1 year already, nobody is coming in. Nah, Perplexity also tell you, unless you are a high risk trader or have deep bank specific expertise, neither is an especially attractive buy at this time. Is it the correct stock or not? Did I type the correct stock? How come it looks a bit weird? Yes, GLE, right? Yes, correct. It's the correct one. Yeah, bro, just be careful, okay? So what I can tell you is that you can expect something like that, huh? You can expect something that just chop here, chop, 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 chop. After that, one spike. Eh. Then after that, it might start to, like that go down again and chop for a very, very long time. Then after that, one more spike, and then it starts to do this. You keep repeating this process. Yeah, so just be careful for this. Okay, SPY this time round, really, is coming down quite fast though. Are we in for a large pullback? Come on, give me the large pullback. Bro, is there any reason you want to buy that or you are inside already? Apple. Today TikTok is damn weird though. Why keep asking me to reconnect the whole day? Reconnecting. Tesla also coming down, huh? Yeah, sometimes when we want to hit for a larger pullback, initially maybe we can't really tell, but after a while it will get clearer. Then it will be easier again. Yeah, right now I'm trying to figure out. Keep looking at different stock. I'm trying to figure out whether we are heading into a larger pullback or not. Oil, okay, OXY is also coming down a little. Oil stocks are all coming down. Wow, UNH My God. Visa. Okay, even consumer defensives also looks like possibly for more downside. Okay, we go in. Okay. I think MRK is quite a good learning lesson for the students. So you can see, right, why I wanted to wait for MRK because there's no consolidation. So without that consolidation, uh, if you jump in here for more, this is what happened next. So possibly even MRK, not too sure how low it can go to. No possible it also can stop here. If not, it can just go even lower. So bid earnings tank, recover a bit, possibly can start to dump even lower for MRK. Okay, we go and look at Finviz. Finviz maybe got more accurate data. Okay, I refresh again. The semiconductors are bad today. Consumer defensive are still okay. Today more like neutral, some green, some red. Okay. It's quite possible. I do think that we might hit into a larger pullback quite soon. A lot of stocks, they already start, giving you that huge impulse to the downside. It's only the mega techs that are holding up a little bit better. Even Boeing also going down. ARM is dropping as well. Because the larger correction, I think possibly might have already started. But then because the mega techs, they are still not going down a lot. So we can't really, see from SPY whether it's going down or not. Even FTNT, the first look, this is going down already. Same thing, Moderna also going down. UAL doesn't look like it's ready. DAL looks like it can dump even lower. Affirm holding up very well. Upstart also, how about Match? Match is also holding up. CCL, wow, which one is higher? 31.01, 31.01, okay. Yeah, I think Figma is still not out though. How come How come this IPO takes such a long time? Is it my brokers try to scam me or what? Uh, yeah, guys, I do think that we need to be more careful already. Because a lot of stocks, they are, the potential all looks like shorting instead of long though. Right, you see a lot of short opportunity more than long already. It's only the mega tech because mega tech, usually when the market starts to tank, they are a little bit lagging behind because they are very strong. So they don't move a lot when we starts to enter a correction mode. So normally it's the small and mid cap stocks they show that sign that they show is much more clearer. I go and look at a lot of those small and mid caps. They already have a huge impulse to the downside already. So possibly when we get a correction or something, maybe really more downside to come. Yeah, even Netflix looks like more downside. Adobe definitely more down. AVGO cannot really tell as of right now. AMAT since mid of July is already coming down. QCOM looks like more downside. TSM also looks like going down. Palantir also looks like going down. RBLX, not too sure what is it doing here. MU, yep, going down. Only LLY, LLY is strong. Let's see. Okay, LLY actually looks quite good. Which one is higher? Yeah, JPM, not very clear as of right now. MPWR looks like downside and earnings is coming today after market close. CrowdStrike looks like more downside. PANW downside. Spotify down. Snap not too sure. Okay, okay, I want to set an alarm for Snap. Disney also down. Shopify, I'm not too sure. PayPal looks like more downside. Fastly also down. Roku have to wait for today after earnings. OXY down. Visa. Yeah, can you see or not? That's the thing. Although SPY doesn't move a lot, but the overall market, you can see a lot of downside setups. That's the thing. That's my concern. I keep scanning through. Likely, we might hit for that larger pullback soon. Too much short setups already. Way too much. Yeah, maybe really we need to start to change. We change to short now. Okay, I stop at ABBV. Okay, ABBV. Wow, bro, I think you try to be a little bit more careful, huh? Let me show you one example. Look over here. You see this or not? Big earnings, right? Over here on 31st of July 2024. After that, it didn't recover. What happened next after the next 3 days? It dumped even lower. So possible this one can continue for quite a while also. Let me see whether I have seen those that are worse, really, really worse. Where is it? Okay, because this this don't have a lot of data. But then there are some stocks, I can't remember what was it. I think it ever happened to Microsoft before. Is it Microsoft? This one is actually not bad, huh? See, Microsoft beat earnings here, dump. After that, for so long, it just keep going down again and again and again. So be careful on their part for ARM. Yeah, I will definitely wait. For ARM, I will definitely wait. Because just very recently, I think for the past 1 or 2 weeks, I have this friend keep asking me about Lulu. You know, he bought Lulu here. I think he bought somewhere here because he thought that this is like a trend line support or something. And then right now he's still holding Lulu. He still asks me whether should he DCA or not. I also don't know what to advise him. Like scary though. Lulu can go down a lot lower. Yeah, this one easily. I think 180 also quite possible. Yeah, that's why I normally don't try to pick the bottom unless it fulfills a lot of my criteria. Really like a lot that type. I will try to pick the bottom. Like how I picked the bottom on April 2025. So it needs to fulfill like a full whole list of criteria first. If not, I won't do that. It's also been a while since I pull back a little. So, if we get some pullback, that will definitely be a lot more healthy. Right now, everything go up like that. I don't even know how to buy. Yes, buy. Yes, SPY. Correct, correct. It went up way too much already. I need a nice pullback before, I want to try to buy. Right now, like whatever I do doesn't seem right though. Try to short it also doesn't look good. And then if I try to long, also doesn't look good. Okay, how come TSM got triggered? TSM. Yes, user, I'm also looking at that. Normally, if you're going to do some research, September is one of the worst months throughout the entire year. And then August is like a 70-30 thing. 70% of the time is quite bad. So I'm looking for, and a lot of stocks looks present a lot of short opportunity than long as of this current moment. take some profit and wait out September. Okay, okay. So the whole of August you're not going to do anything? Or you mean that for September you're going to sit out? It's also not a bad idea, huh? Yes, it's really, really not bad. Sometimes when you trade long enough, right, you will do notice there will be a few months that, normally you just don't perform so well that month. If you do notice that pattern, can definitely sit out. I myself, I know that my August and September is also not fantastic that time. I think last year I was also quite negative. The moment I think the first few days of August, suddenly the thing just dumped because of the yen carry trade, and then a lot of my stop loss didn't trigger, so I went down together. China stocks, I also don't know what to do with them. How come today I keep getting the verification thing? Mhm. Can this part also, be a retest of the trend line and then it starts to go up again? Because today we also have a lot of earnings. Then tomorrow, maybe after Apple earnings or something, you see SPY at here again. Okay, guys, we stream for another 10 more minutes, okay? So you guys have any more questions? Because I keep looking at the market like I have no idea what to do. I will just sit out for a while. Maybe tomorrow or next week things might get a little bit more clearer. He's that's the very first thing you think of. But I like that idea. You can find anything lah. I keep looking. I seriously got no confidence though. I don't know whether it's up or down. Oh, you're not finding Okay, okay, okay. No problem, no problem. Right now it's really not very clear. I looked through so many instruments already. Yeah, sitting out is actually not bad. Sometimes, things are not very clear. Just sit out for a while and then wait for things to become clearer. Then we start to enter again. Yes, I also want to short, but I can't see the confirmation. That confirmation for that large pullback. Although a lot of stocks are really a lot so far, most of them that I've been seeing, it looks like going down though. Short, 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 everybody. Wow, what happened to PNG? Okay. PNG possibly breaking to the downside soon. If fake starts at $60, I don't think I will be buying already. That's like double, really? Hey, is it going to IPO today or not, Richard? You have any idea? Have you not traded IPO stocks before? Or by the time when you release, market already close? Usually not so late lah. How do you even set an order? Can I set or not? Can Wait, let me try. Hey, really? I can set it. Okay. Think and place. Yeah, I use my cash account, so I don't mind lah. I don't mind. Whatever price it gives me, roughly about 30 plus, I will just take it and go. But if $60, I don't want it. $60, I'll give it a skip. Okay, we check, okay? Yes, $30 I'm fine. But then not $60. So I just put a buy limit at $33. You know, 10 a.m. and continues till the standard market close 3:30 p.m. Yes, correct, Richard. That's why I'm willing to hold it for about 2 days. Okay, this is that the typical IPO delay for about 1 to 2 hours after the official market open. Right now it's 2 hours already. On average about 1 to 2 hours. Oh, okay. Nice. Yes, I understand the risk for IPO stock. So possibly, right? Uh, for me, right, the moment I buy fig, the the thing that come to my mind is that I'm okay to lose every single cent. I can't be bothered lah. For me, usually this type of IPO stock, when I decide to enter, right, I will just tell myself I'm okay that this stock go to zero, I lose every single cent. So I'm okay with that. Raymond, I have a soft stop loss. If Figma drops to maybe about $15, I'll just exit. I won't hold it anymore. Especially those are that the IPO are like, okay, let's say for example, the IPO here. After that, for maybe 1 2 weeks, you just like that. Okay, that's it. Bye bye. I'm out. Because when you see this, likely you will start tanking. I will get out first. Then if those right that after IPO spike a little bit, then the next few days go sideways. After it continue to spike, and this one I will hold. I'll hold for minimally 2 weeks before I decide whether I want to TP or not. Yeah, because Richard, I also don't understand the company. So for me, I think that will be the safest lah. So I won't get affected by it. Because there are many different types of those IPO stock though. I don't know which one, but then we can try to find some example. Okay, this one too far back now. Skip. Open. Open I think is open. Let me see. Open is not bad. Open, if we go back to the initial IPO data, you can see right after IPO, this is about $10, and then for June, July, about 1 month, it just doesn't go anywhere. The highest it went to is about $12 plus. Before it starts to fire up, and this is June to August to September, about 3 months later. 3 months later, then it starts to fire off. So this example is still not too bad. Anything else? Okay, I think we start from the weekly chart will be better. This, no. I thought this stock just IPO. Okay, wrong. PSNL. This one another. Okay, this is something that's a little bit more different. Okay, maybe we'll try the daily chart. Daily might be a bit clearer. Okay, this one is what stock? PSNL. The moment it IPO only went up for 2 days. After it starts to dump, then just go down for a long time though. This one IPO how much? IPO about $23. Only went up for 3 days. So imagine you buy somewhere in the middle of here. You have about 11 days, you still can break even. Before it dumps. Where's 50%? Yeah, 50% is somewhere here already. This is like 3 months later. 3 months later, if you exit, you take a loss of 50%. And if you wait for it to come back to your entry, this will be like how many days? Almost 1 full year though. 11 months before it come back to my entry. Forget it. 11 months is too long for me already. Really, way too long. I would rather, take 50% loss. I go and take the money, go and put somewhere else. But this stock is still okay. PSNL. At least you got, 11 days here for you to just take a break even. $67 really 67 too expensive brother. 67 Will you still buy? Really? $67 you'll buy Oh. And then we can go and take a look at the next one. Is there any good one or not? How about this? PLNT. Oh no, this one IPO way too long ago. How about this? Oh, this is wrong. This one is wrong, my friend. QuantumScape Corporation. My God. Okay. IPO at about $10. See, $10. 17 days later, almost 100% ROI. There seems like it will spike up initially for the first day, then after it doesn't move for maybe 2 weeks or something. Before it starts to give you another spike. After this spike, this is like how much? The highest is about 162%. Okay. Before it dump all the way back here. This is like 2 months later, then after it starts to move again. So is it quite possible, if we miss today, 2 months later we can get in again? Okay, we go and take a look at circles. Circle. Okay, Circle since IPO went up about 100% in 8 days. After within 18 days, the highest it went through about 300%. So you need a consolidation here for at least 2 months. 2 months. That means it's around 22nd of August before Circle will be ready for another up move. What company is that? This one is Circle. What else do we have? SMMT. How about this? When did IPO? My god, too long ago. That was too long ago. BTM. Ooh, AI. Wow, really? $67 already. $67. Okay, we go and look at Nvidia. But Nvidia we need to scroll back a lot though for the data. Let's see Nvidia. My god, where's the data? Kava. Okay. Can. Is this the day that Nvidia IPO? 1999? Okay, I don't know whether this is the true data or not. We check, okay? Yes, it's the correct data. Okay, so it's Nvidia. I think back then nobody believed Nvidia. 1999. IPO only move up for 1 day after it starts to dump. Okay, open here. 11 days later, it drops roughly about 17%. 33 days later, it's up about 25%. But this is way too long. Okay, no issues. We can just do a measurement before eventually it starts to move. Okay, you need to wait about 5 months. 5 months before you get a move up. Okay, I don't think Nvidia is quite relevant lah. CAVA. Okay, this one not bad. Yeah, you can see, right? This one is also another one. After IPO, you open here. It doesn't go anywhere and drops about 12% in 20 days. Before, you get a huge move to the upside. By then, it's already 48 days. And then it went up about 38% before it starts to dump. So it's also quite possible, right? Figma can don't go anywhere for 2 weeks before it starts to fire off. So no rush to buy, okay? Relax, guys. Moral of the story, no rush to buy. Unless this one is like another circle that just doesn't come back already. Okay, circle I guess is also because Cathy Wood, some big names, they also go and buy circle. So within a short period of time, it just fire off. Okay, circle is fast. 18 days, 330% gains. Nice. Okay, now good to IPO. Wow, I'm not sure though, Richard. I don't chase all this. And Figma is the first time that, I ever try. Normally, the stocks that I invest are all the big names that you know. Nvidia lah, Palantir, Amazon, Meta, Google, Microsoft, all that. All those magnificent seven. I have never, set aside money just for IPO stock. I even told my friend I want to buy Figma. They were all very, very shocked, They was like so shocked. You trade IPO stocks, man? But don't know whether y'all can see it or not, huh? Don't know whether y'all can see or not. You can see it? My friend asked, you trade IPO stock? Ah? Because they know me for many, many years, and then they know I have never ever do that. Okay lah, guys, 12 o'clock already. Go to bed now. Okay? Whatever, Figma, IPO, I don't care anymore. I will wait for 1-2 weeks before maybe I'll just set a buy limit at 33. And then if it doesn't hit there, I'll wait for 1-2 weeks before I decided whether I want to buy or not. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you for coming to the live stream. Thank you so much. Take care, guys. Good night. Non. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.